So we installed the Timbren system on the truck to make it a lot safer. What it's going to do is the Timbrens are going to work with your existing suspension, and it's going to reduce that rear sag and improve your roll stability. Roll stability is that side-to-side motion you get if you take a turn or if you had to make a defensive move from something on the road. So what it's doing is, again, it will not increase your capacity or your towing ability. It's just going to increase the safety and enhance what you already have. But it's going to do it by its progressive load on that spring, which all it means is it's a solid rubber piece, and as it compresses, it gets firmer. It's passive, I guess you can say, and it's maintenance free. There's no need to adjust. There's no need to do anything. Once it's on there, you just use it until you don't. Okay, so this is designed, so the way the Timbren is designed is you don't need to take the wheel off. I did it because it makes it a little easier for filming this, but all you got to do is you're going to pry this out, then you're going to slip the other one in. It just goes right into this cup, and it's that simple. So again, it's designed that you don't have to take the tire off. If you can just reach around and get it. I just did this because it's so much easier for setting up a camera. So let's get started. What we're going to do is we're going to lube up the Timbren, and I'm going to put a 4x4 in here, and I'm going to let the weight of the truck actually press it up in there. It's a lot easier than trying to do it by hand, but that should be it. So let's get started. Out with the old. All right. And it is in. Good to go. More. No more. Okay. If you want to install the Timbrens on your vehicle, we'll have links below where you can find it.